Before modern bombs, before tanks and missiles, there were medieval superweapons, machines so powerful, so terrifying, they could decide the fate of kingdoms in a single day. It was called the werewolf, a wooden giant built by the Scots, a trebuchet so massive, its stones flew like falling stars. When this monster fired, castle walls didn't crack, they exploded. Soldiers below looked up at the sky, hearing only a whistle, and knowing death was already on the way. But not every superweapon was made of wood and rope. Some were held in the hands of ordinary men. The English longbow, a simple bow that could pierce armor from 200 yards. At Crécy, Poitiers, Agincourt, longbowmen released so many arrows. The sky turned black. Knights never even reached the battlefield. They fell long before they reached the fight. But the most mysterious weapon of all was a secret the world still can't solve. Greek fire, a burning liquid that clung to anything it touched. Shields, ships, skin, even water couldn't stop it. Throw a bucket of water on Greek fire, and it burned louder. Only the Byzantines knew how to make it, and they guarded its formula, as if it came from the gods themselves. These were the medieval superweapons, the engines of fear that shaped the Middle Ages, tools that crushed armies, burned fleets, and changed the course of history. This is Banner and Battlement. Subscribe and step deeper into the forgotten world of war.